The final problem, number 10, asks us to find the quotient g of x divided by f of x. So we're going to set it up as a fraction. So we're going to do 5x squared minus 2, because that's the g of x function. That's what they tell us to put in the numerator. In the denominator, we're supposed to put the f of x function, which is x plus 4. Now, we don't have any like terms. All 4 of these items are not all divisible by the same thing, so we can't reduce it at all. And so we're just going to leave it just like that. That's our finished function right there. As for the domain, the issue is the division. We cannot divide by 0. Division by 0 is undefined. So we take what it is we're dividing by, which is x plus 4, and we say, hey, that can't equal 0. Let's see what value would make it equal 0. So we solve it for x. In this case, we'd have to subtract the 4 from both sides. Now we see that x cannot equal negative 4. If x equals negative 4, we get 0 in the denominator, which we wouldn't be able to do. We can't take a number and divide it up into 0 parts. Can't make it disappear. So that means that our domain is everything but negative 4. So it's all the values smaller than negative 4, meaning negative infinity up to, but not including negative 4. Remember, we use the rounded parenthesis to show that it can't equal that value. It gets up to it, but not including it. The little u means the union, so it's that set or the set from negative 4 to infinity, meaning all of the values that are larger than negative 4. So that interval notation there says everything smaller than negative 4 or everything bigger than negative 4. The only thing that doesn't work is the negative 4 itself.